Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see how to create animation video using Adobe Express absolutely free. What exactly look like, we will see detailed demonstration how to create, how to download, and you can publish this video on YouTube. Let's check it out. So let's start. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and just put it this link. I already added this link in video description, express.adobe.com/express.app. So look at this here. Here is animated are available, and that one is absolutely free. Currently this is a beta version, not introducing the Adobe as a originally. They are working continuously, so you can choose here which category or which animation you want create. So suppose for example I just simply select this one and record the video, and I record dialogue and the animation are working accordingly. So record 1 2 3. So now, hello, it's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and in this video we will see how to create animated video using adobe.com, and that one is absolutely free. You can create a video and publish on your YouTube channel or any other social media. It's very interesting. Now I simply done, and now the processing is going on. So we can wait couple of seconds only, and then the 100% processing is done. So your animation is created, and this particular animation are speak what I am speaking exactly on the recording point of view. Wait couple of seconds, and even the speech is enhanced. You can reduce the background. You can record anywhere in like airport, train station or bus station, and you can enhance the entire account voice like this. I just simply play this voice. So now, hello, it's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and in this video we will see how to create animated video using adobe.com, and that one is absolutely free. You can create a video and publish on your YouTube channel or any other social media. It's very interesting. It's really, if you want back to and edit, so you can edit and preview and download. The video is download here. Look at this, and after that I can add this video, and after add this video and publish on my YouTube channel or any other social media. It's really amazing tips and tricks within a minute. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.